Okay, here's a laptop, Dell Latitude E7250. Not switching on when you connect the power. When you connect this charger, it doesn't charge, neither does it power it on. Let's connect the charger and see. Where do we connect the charger? At the back here. Okay, what's happening when we connect the charger? Nothing, no light. It's actually from another shop. The people, they say the system board is dead, so we have to open it and try to fix it. We have to fix the system board. So let's get busy. Before we get busy, we'll check our voltages. If the voltage is on the charger, keep going, let the video run like that so that I can see. It's gonna take a little bit, maybe 30 to 40 minutes to get it done, because we have to fix the board. Obviously all laptops take 19 voltage, so we can't just go straight up, open a laptop. We'll check if the charger got voltage here first. Here we go, 19 volt. Can I show that 19 volt that you can see, right? Good. So now we have 19 volt and the laptop doesn't come on. When you press the power button or you put the charger, nothing. Dead. So let's fix it. Open it. Open all the screws, open all the screws. Open all the screws, open all the screws. Do I need to open all the screws of this particular laptop? Or do I just need to open the few screws? But let me open all of it first. Let's see. Okay, let's see what's happening. You have to take out the keyboard to open all the rest, or you can just open like this. Because some laptop you have to take off everything. On this particular model, do we have to or not? Let's see. Okay. More screws. Where are the screws? Here. Okay, we don't see screws here. Let's try to take off the keyboard then. This is not a Lenovo. I can't take off this keyboard like this. Only Lenovo keyboard can take them out in that way. Okay. The L screws from that side, that has to be open. So this keyboard has to come out. And how do we do that? Let's try. Maybe you have to take off all this. But Lenovo is normal. This one will be abnormal, but let's try it. Oh, some keys are glued together. Now they are out of that space. Oh, yeah, that's real. This keyboard must be taken from here. Okay.
This is the thing of my friend.
Why am I not your friend, my friend? Can't you see that I'm working?
No.
When I'm working, I must attend to you in which way now?
No, Daddy. My friend.
Okay.
Daddy,
Some of these keys are out, which is fine.
Is my friend. No, my
It's actually out because there's a solid tape there. So,
friend. Daddy. No, my friend.
hey, I'm working. I'll slap you, my man. If you make noise, I'll send you outside and lock the door. Nonsense. What is that? Disturbing people's work. This stands keyboard sitting, it's out, but that's not the business that we are here for now. We're here to get the laptop working. Keyboard and the rest, we'll see to that later. But for now, the interest is getting the laptop to work. Anything apart from that is not the version of. Okay, good. Okay, yeah, good. See that there's screws under here. We'll have to take it out so that I keep this machine can open. Okay, there's the process of opening the laptop. Obviously, behind here, underneath here, this place, you disconnect the keyboard there and take it off completely. Okay, now the keyboard is totally out. Good, good, good. We need to open that cover there. There's some screws here. We need to make sure that this screws is not part of the screws holding the cover from opening. Working from home on a Sunday. Working from home on a Sunday. Fixing a laptop from home on a Sunday. Good, good, good. Now the top cover is open. We get back to our voltages. There's no power in the machine. And there are things to check, process by process, step by step. So we plug in a charger again. Obviously the charger got the voltage. Let's plug in our charger and see what is showing our voltage. Here we go. Everywhere is ground now. You see here? All these port diagrams here. So you can just put in the iron, is also negative now. We call it ground. So I put one terminal on the negative to trace my voltage. Okay, when the charger is plugged here, it comes straight to this port here. So the 19 volt that we tested outside there must be here now. Okay, let's see, let's go. Nothing, 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 nothing. Don't have any voltage there, which means there's a short somewhere. Let me check this charger again. 19 volt. Then when you plug it here, plug it there, nothing happens and the charger comes straight here. So let's check here if we have any voltage. Obviously these two first starts, the two terminals is positive and the second two terminals are negative. Let's try here. We don't have any voltage. Okay, what we're going to do is to see if the motherboard is shorting or not. I'm going to take off this power terminal. Show here, you see. Okay, we take off this terminal first to make the diagnostic quicker and better and easier. We take off this terminal, then we test if our voltage is at that terminal or is a charging port. We connect the charger again, and then we test the terminals. Here we go. Oh, there's voltage there. You can see there's a spark. You saw it? So which means there's a voltage on this terminal here. Let's see. Here we go. Now it's 12 volt. It's supposed to be how many volts? It's supposed to be 19 volt. There's supposed to be 19 volt there, not 12 volt. Let me start the charger again. Okay. It's supposed to have 19 volt there and not 12. 19. Okay, we plug it back here. We have to have 19 on this terminal here. If not, then the charger port is broken inside. Step by step diagnostic, that's what we do. We have 19 volt, right? Good. Now we connect back this terminal here. Connect the terminal and check again. We have nothing, which means there's a short inside. We unplug the charger and then we start with component testing. Because there's a short, we have to test components one by one. We put our multimeter on diode mode. But we're not just going around to go to random testing. We're going to work only around the power unit. Around the power unit. Where does our voltage go from here? That's the first step. From here it goes to the first MOSFET. So let's check the MOSFET first. If our voltage is getting there. Oh no, that voltage doesn't come here. It's a mistake I was saying. The voltage comes here first. The voltage comes here. So if we track the line from here, we're going to see our first MOSFET. It's underneath. It's not this chip though. It's underneath here. Okay, not too much of time taken because we are aware that the machine has a short, right? Remember there was a short. So we'll go straight to what we know can usually cause a short on a machine like this one. Capacitors. Let's check it out. Let's test our capacitors one by one. One is good. The machine's on diode mode. While we're checking around the power unit to see what's the short. To see what's shorting. That's good. Looks like we have a short here. It looks like we have a short around here. Looks like we have a short around here. Is that our first MOSFET? We could check that out, but I think we have a short around there. So we're going to take out these capacitors and test them one by one to see where the problem lies. Because one of them, sorry?
Place it on post.
Okay, is it continuing? Okay, 13 minutes, we're still searching for the problem, right? Okay, I think the problem is yes, okay? So we have to take off this component and test them to see where the problem is. Because there is a short there. Okay, let's switch on our hot air. It's fine. No, don't show the hot air. Hot air, I can just talk. I put it on 400 degrees. And then the air, I put it on maybe like, not much actually. Then we're going to take off those components and test them. It disturbed me so. Okay. Okay, show me here. We test these capacitors one by one. Lift it up so that I can see because I can't work like this. Move. You may own thing, but I need interrupt you. I want to move in interruption. You know, go vex that man, laugh. So you can't disturb me sweet. You give me more time for the walk. I think we need to put a small. I think this heat is if I move the blind, I will make my video nicely, but you will make noise for this. This is what they work for us. They still move the blind. When I saw the women's for rest, but I choose for work. I don't work for workplace. Work for us, okay? Capacitors, take them off one by one. No, don't show the side. You don't can't take close this time. I pressure the work day. Simply at the work at my eye. You don't can put this in for you. Simply at the work, you can't disturb. You have to test that capacitor one by one. Then take off all this film and test them also. You see, this capacitor is dead. Where is it? It's jumped, but now the shot is no longer there. You see here, that tree that was making is no longer doing, because the capacitor that was making that tree, I took it off. Now it's jumped. Where is it? Oh, it's here. Show the video. Good. Okay. You see, it's making a noise there. Short to 10. Check there. 10 ohms. That's very wrong, It's a capacitor. Capacitor doesn't have to be short. So let's look for a board for scrap, and then we'll take off the scrap one. Then we'll replace it and see if our machine can now work, Good. Let's look for a capacitor. We're gonna check capacitor. Okay, board for spares. Now we have to take out the capacitor from a board of spares and replace it there. Our air there is our heat there is 500 degrees. Good, capacitor is out. This is board for spares. This board is only used for spares. Keep him there and put the capacitor. This capacitor looks so big.
Go in bath.
You say you must go and bath. You just wake up, you didn't bath. You're going to your friends. What is that for?
That is some of my friends.
This capacitor is too big. I don't know if it's properly hooded. I think I should get a smaller one. Video is this way, Okay. Okay. There we go. Let's see. Because this capacitor is big and we already know what this capacitor has to do, so we're going to bridge a small cable from here to the capacitor. Let's get a small cable with a small soldering wire and bridge the capacitor, because it's too big, it can't fit there. Okay, there is a way you can go. There is a way we can do that. Just shift this man up a little bit. Okay, there we go. I think now we're able to solder it so that we can touch. The size of the capacitor is big there, so we just push it so that it can solder it. Okay, now there's a mess. This one, I have to take out this one. have to take out that small mess there. That wooden wire must not touch the room. Okay. I think it's no longer touching, and that is what we want, right? Okay, let's test it and see if the line is conducting. This line must get here. Okay, it's good. This line must get here. Good. But the place must not short as it was shorting before. Good, our problem is solved. If we put the laptop on now, it's gonna work. It's gonna work. Those people wanted to change the motherboard. Here we just change the component and the machine is gonna work. Let's see. Our voltage charger is there. Good.
But I already fixed it.
Okay, let's put the memory chip because there was no memory there for that. And then we'll test if the power is there and the machine is working. Same voltage, hook it on, and the power is there. Problem solved. Let's see. Oh, it went off. Let's see what's happening. Oh, the machine is fine. Let's see if it works, if it displays. Oh, the light is there. Oh, all the lights are there. The machine is testing the board. Then it has to display after the test. Not displays. First problem solved. Not display. It looks like the screen also has a problem. Oh, why don't we have a display? Shit, I hope the screen doesn't. Oh, the screen is also broken. Oh, wow. Okay, but at least there's power in now on the machine. Let's check why we don't have a display. Okay, let's see why we don't have a display. Maybe this screen was disconnected, or maybe the screen, let's see, the VGA plug, is the VGA plug properly connected? Let's check that also before we get to the screen side. Okay, wow, it is connected. Let's just connect it properly again to see. And then let's put the screw back. Sunday jobs. This is what working after hours on Sunday. Instead of doing things, we just work, just fix laptops. Every Sunday we fix laptops. Now our voltage is in the way we want it. Now we don't have a display. So which means this laptop had two problems. Let's put this on now. Let's see what's happening. Flashing light, motherboard checking. Motherboard is being checked. When you see those lights flashing up there, the motherboard is being checked. And we still don't have a display. Let's change our memory. We can't just go straight to the screen. Let's change our memory. Disconnect the machine. And try it again with a different memory. Maybe that memory is not good. There's possibility that this memory is not good. We change our memory. Otherwise, maybe the machine had two problems. Remember, there was no power. Now we just fix the power. Let's check if the memory is good or bad. We need to have a display. Where is my display? Where is my display? We don't have a display. Guys, I don't display, so we have to check if the screen is good, isn't it? Let's check the screen. If our screen is good, we should have a display. Oh, not display yet. Screen check. This screen doesn't look like it was open, so I wonder why we don't have a display. I don't know why we don't have a display. I don't know why we don't have a display. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, the screen is properly connected. Maybe the screen is dead because it's even broken. So maybe the lamp of the screen is dead. The lamp, she's broken here. See, if I had my GoPro zoom light, I was going to show quickly. Okay, so let's see how many inch screen is this. 12.5. Do we have a 12.5 inch screen somewhere? This is 14 inch. No. Okay, so we're going to test it with this screen here. It's a testing screen, eh? Because we don't have a display, so we need to see why the machine doesn't have a display. So we'll put a testing screen first. We are working from home today. I'm not at work, so I don't have all the space. At work, I've got all the screens. Here in the house, I don't have all the screens. So let's see if our job is a success. Where is the power button again? It's here. Let's see if our job is a success. It's working with this screen. Wow, done.
Dell.
There we go, Dell. Wow, it's fine. Happy? Good. Everything is fine. AC adapter, wattage, whatever. Okay. Now, Adolf, Mr. Fix. 88 technology, Mr. Fixing all thing. With the fix motherboard, all thing. So if this video don't inspire you or you don't learn something from this video, for change the capacitor where they shut the entire machine down. If you don't learn, subscribe to our channel. Learn more electronic repairs daily. Every Sunday, we'll get home. Every Sunday, man must fix with a fix laptop from home, make a video. So subscribe to follow our videos. The problem is solved. Oh, if you're there and around South Africa, if you just reach us on 083 958 4814. If you're there around South Africa, 083 958 4814. Mr. Fix will fix all laptops problems on motherboards like this. This one is a Dell. You saw it from the start to the end. Thank you. Now I just need a couple in, so I don't think I should take much of time there. Sharp.